Loquat is a subtropical tree with a long history of use in traditional and herbal medicine. Although the loquat produces edible fruit that is rich in calcium, iron, vitamin A, and potassium, the therapeutic power of loquat is contained in its large and glossy evergreen leaves. Traditionally used to make a tea, loquat leaf has been reputed to promote skin, respiratory, and intestinal health. Loquat leaves can be applied in topical form as creams to combat acne and other skin conditions due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Number 1. Liver support. Your liver is part of your body's first line of defense against toxins, and its job is to process and eliminate toxins. Loquat leaves contain an antioxidant known as amygdalin or B17, which supports the liver. It also contains linoleic acids and plant sterols, which encourage normal liver function. Number 2. Encourages respiratory health. Support for the respiratory system is a cornerstone of the traditional use of loquat leaf. It's been used as a remedy for congestion, cough, sensitivity to irritants, and even lung irritation. Clinical research has confirmed its efficacy. A 2009 study at the Kyungpook National University School of Medicine found that loquat leaf slowed the allergic reactions in mice. Other animal models have found that it helps to reduce sneezing and the effects of histamines. Number 3. Soothes skin and gums. When used in a topical cream, loquat leaf can be an excellent remedy for the red, irritated skin that results from environmental sensitivities. This is especially true when irritation is the result of histamines. Similarly, the soothing benefits of loquat leaf can be had orally. Loquat leaf has been used to extinguish uncomfortable swollen gums. Number 4. Supports brain health. Oxidative damage caused by free radicals is believed to be one of the primary causes of neurodegenerative disorders. Because loquat leaf is a beneficial antioxidant, it was examined in 2011 for its ability to support normal brain operation and protect against oxidative stress. Not only did the results confirm both, but mice given loquat leaf extract were observed to experience memory improvements. Number 5. Promotes normal blood sugar. Support for blood sugar levels is another benefit offered by the tormentic acid in loquat leaf. Tormentic acid encourages polysaccharide production, a necessary component of insulin production.